Right, that's the video. Do you want to use the video?
Can you do all
yeah.
that?
Yeah, okay. Well, it will get uploaded onto YouTube via our channel, which is Salad Video, which is one word.
Right.
Okay. So you search for that on YouTube. Then you'll obviously see our icon. Click on that. Go to playlist. Click on that, and it's come up with customer collections.
Okay.
And it'll be under there. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So to start and stop it is that one there.
Okay. Okay.
How long have you been caravanning?
About 4 years.
4 years. So obviously you've got a bit of experience.
Focus on the van.
Obviously you've got a bit of experience of using the caravan, yeah?
Yes.
I've learned a few things not to do over the years.
Yeah. Okay.
What to do, what not to do.
Mistakes or not doing. Okay, so everything at front end should be fairly similar.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. If anything, it depends on what age van you had. If you had the red handle, it's just a different coloured handle.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay.
And the lock that you put on the
yeah, we'll fit that. Yeah. Okay. Got your gas bottles on.
Right.
This is mine at the moment,
yep.
operating the gas on board. Okay, so that should be fairly similar as well. Your onboard regulator. Yeah, yep. That's exactly the same. Yeah. So you can use. The regulator that used to be on on the bottles itself. Right. That's the actual regulator there. What you're going to need is a gas pipe pigtail, which fits obviously to the butane cylinders.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we get one of those at the shop?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. We'll move to the shop. Okay. You happy with the gas side of it?
Yeah.
As in gas locker. Okay, down the side. This is going to be slightly different. Is your heating?
Okay.
Okay, that's the vent for the water boiler and heater.
Okay, so there's no tap.
There's no cover.
Off.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's as it is. No cover.
Right. That's
okay.
better.
Water in.
Yes.
Something similar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much so.
Yeah. So we just trigger to pull it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is that a water filter?
Yeah, it's got a water filter on it. There's no pump on the end of that. The water pump is actually on board.
Oh, is it?
So it draws the water up rather than pushing it from anti-vac roll.
Okay.
Okay. Batteries on board.
Great.
Your motor mover.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's been swapped.
Okay.
That's where your isolating key is. Okay. That's your wastewater.
Yes.
Tools are there. Flush tank. And waste tank for your toilet.
Standard.
Exactly the same, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. And you got your drain on top of that little plastic ledge there.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so that just comes out to drain it for winter.
Okay.
Yeah, so obviously make sure you do that. Is the cassette exactly the same as?
It looks the same, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, the one with the wheels on.
Yeah, that's it.
So you happy with that? Yeah.
This will be handy actually if you forget anything.
Yeah. Well, down the side, obviously not a lot down this side, but you've got your plate there. Okay.
Yes.
Which obviously gives you weight, tyre size, tyre pressure, and also it gives you your torque setting for your wheel nuts. Okay. Obviously very important that you check these each time you travel.
Right.
Okay. If you've got a torque wrench, obviously very good. Are you a member of Caravan Club Camping?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you had the recent magazine?
Yeah.
If you read that, if you read on the letters page, there's one.
Just look at the pictures.
There's obviously one member. Yeah, but there's a picture on it. there is obviously a serious thing that this member obviously wheel had come off.
Right.
Okay. So this is what obviously we push. Obviously recommend you check these each time you travel.
Okay. So here's the torque here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, torque setting there. You obviously got the two settings you've got for steel and for alloy, but obviously this is alloy. Yeah. It's 130 newton meters. I will check this before you.
Super.
Before you travel.
We've never done that.
No. So it is important to make sure you do that. Especially if you've obviously changed a wheel. If you've had a puncture, you've changed a wheel. They recommend after about 30 miles, check it again. Again after service. Yeah. Obviously they take the wheels off, so they are checked. But obviously you check them again after about 30 miles.
And a jacking point on this? Should we need to change a tyre?
You haven't actually got a jacking point on these. You have to more or less on the axle itself.
Okay. Use the axle.
Jack it on that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't put it on the actual frame itself. It can damage it.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So that'd be a trolley jack or whatever you need to
whatever. Yeah. With mine, I've actually got what's called a co-jack, which actually bolts something to the frame.
Right.
So it's a receiver, then it's like a bottle jack.
Okay.
That can lift it. But obviously, it makes it more difficult with having a motor mover. Oh, there's the fridge phone up. But obviously, it makes it more difficult, especially with the receiver and you've got your spare wheel there. It's very difficult to get it in the right position.
That's where the spare is in there.
Yeah, spares on an underslung.
Okay.
Pull that one there.
All right.
Okay.
We've got the Excalibur. Obviously.
Oh, the wheel lock. Yeah.
Does anything need to happen with those wheel locks to fit the Excalibur?
I'm just trying to think now if it's the one you remove the bolt. You remove one bolt out the wheel.
Right.
I think on that one. Because you've got the alcohol lock receiver there, which obviously is the alcohol lock itself. But I think with that one you have to remove one bolt. and it locks in on that, I think.
Okay, so I've got no facility to do that with me.
What, to remove the bolt?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be able to do that.
Okay.
If you want me to do that for you.
Super, thank you.
Okay, right, inside. If you want to go inside, warning light. Is that in the button there?
Right, yeah.
That button there does go across the top of your locker.
Got it.
Okay, mind yourself as you go in.
Thank you.
Put my slippers on.
All nice and clean.
Yeah, I have to put my slippers on because the valeters do not like it if I get the carpet dirty.
It's lovely and warm
They
here.
spend a few hours. He's watching me now.
I bet
He's
they
actually
do.
watching me. They spend quite a few hours. He's just making sure I've got my slippers on. Because obviously you'll be getting a survey within a week or two.
Right.
And I'll obviously be asking about cleanliness and things like
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
If I get it dirty, they get it in the neck if it goes a mark against them and I've made it dirty.
No, of course.
They're not going to be happy.
You can
Right.
see it's spotless, it's beautiful.
Yeah, good. No, I'm just trying to think where that light switch is, which is over there.
It's just lovely and warm in here.
Yeah,
It's
obviously
lovely.
everything. Obviously we make sure everything's up and running.
Right.
Obviously heating makes a big difference, especially this time of year.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you'll have some things obviously slightly different than your other van.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just show you. Down here is your drain, which your drain would have been the same type connection fitting.
Okay,
This is
so
the
that's
yellow
the
one,
yellow.
yeah.
So
That
just
drains
leave
your
that.
water out. So
Yes.
obviously to get water in, that needs to be in that
Yes,
position.
keep it down, yeah.
Okay, obviously winter, make sure you drain it. So
Sure.
open that, open all your taps to centre,
Yes.
and that lets the water go out. But obviously
Okay.
we're looking at getting water in, so we need to make sure it's closed. The consumer unit,
Okay, got it.
okay, using hot water or electric,
Yes.
charger button, so obviously that's switched on. It will allow 240 to charge your battery. This is your charger here.
Okay.
Okay, 240 trips.
Yes.
Info note there to tell what they're connected to. 12-volt fuses, again, info note there.
Okay.
Oh, reverse polarity, and then you missed that one. That is for if you go on the continent, they tend to wire things slightly different than us.
Okay.
Okay, so all it is a warning light. So if you plug your 240 in,
Yes.
come in, have a look, make sure if that's lit,
Right.
it is wired differently. So you're going to need to adapt it to use their electrics.
Understood.
Okay, system shutdown
And
button.
they just lights, they're not switches.
Yeah,
as well.
no, these are switches.
They are switches.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they
So
are
when we
switches.
come in, that's what I need to put on it. Okay.
Yeah.
And the charger also.
Yeah, charges a button as well. So it's just the reverse polarity one that is a light. Okay,
Okay.
spare, obviously spare.
So when I hook up at the side, put the 240 on, I need to hit the charger button.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that needs to be on if you want to charge your battery, obviously.
Okay.
Okay, system shutdown button, obviously to protect your battery, as in it will shut all the 12-volt systems down. And obviously it protects your battery, as in doesn't run it down.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
that there is your pump. Okay, so that's your
That's the
onboard
water
pump.
pump. Okay.
So again, for winterisation, make sure you just, as you're emptying it, just obviously operate the pump. Just make sure it spins a bit of the water out of the pump itself.
Okay. And operate the pump is by opening
Yeah,
the
just
taps.
open the tap. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Right, so if we look just above the door is your control panel.
Do you like move there
Okay.
and then you got a bit more room?
Right, control panel, fairly straightforward. It's asleep at the moment. Press any button, it'll just light up.
Okay.
Power button, so the 12-volt system's on and off.
Yes.
So you probably might have had a master switch in your last one,
Yes.
in your Luna. 240 connected, there's your battery connected. Water pump is on at the moment.
Okay.
View levels, that just shows you what your leisure battery's doing, so it's
Okay.
showing 14 volts because
Yes.
it's going for the charger.
Okay. Otherwise it'd be 12, right?
Yeah, it'd be 12 and a half.
Okay.
Obviously, as long as it's obviously got charge in it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Got it. All right. That's
Right,
simple enough.
okay, so to get the water in the van, you're happy to bleed air out through your taps if you've emptied your tank and everything else, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so obviously just open the tap,
Yes.
open it to the hot side, get all the air out of the system, fills your hot water tank if you drained it previously. Once you've got a solid stream, all the air's out of your tank and you filled it. Do the same with each tap.
Right.
Make sure you get all the air out of the system, or as much of the air out of
Okay.
the system as you possibly can.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just show you. Obviously, once it's solid like that, obviously you already primed it. Just make sure you've got some hot water. I don't know if you want to put your hand underneath that, but it's warming up nicely.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's not an instant heat.
Yes.
Obviously, it has to warm up.
Of course.
Okay, so your control panel for your heating is this one here.
Okay.
Okay, you can press any button, it'll just light it up. To switch it on and off, big button there.
Yeah.
Okay, so the icon's running across the top. So this is up and running now.
Right.
Obviously, you can hear the fan running as well. That flame flashing there is not gas, that's
Right.
heating. Okay.
Ah. Okay.
The next one along, thermometer in water, so that's what we've set the
Okay.
temperature to be for your water. Next one is energy. So at the moment it's running on gas and electric.
I'll run
Then
both.
fan, so that's the fan's set
Okay.
as well. 240 connected is that little plug there, so if that is switched off,
Yes.
underneath your bunk there,
Yes.
heating hot water, the orange light, that won't appear there. If
Okay.
you're trying to run it on just electric, it will warn you with a black triangle.
Okay.
Okay, if you can see in the centre here, obviously it's flashing between time set
Yes.
and temperature as well.
Temperature.
Okay, so to operate it, press the big button,
Yeah.
click it on. So this next line now is what you want. If it's flashing, you can then
Right.
obviously click on that to
Alter it.
change whatever settings you need to do. Okay, so got that one there. Obviously goes back to the other screen once it's after a few seconds. So temperature inside your van.
Yes.
So press it again. You can then change. Obviously you can either switch it off
Okay.
or put the temperature up to up maximum of 30
Right.
if you wanted to. Okay, then whatever temperature you set, confirm it by clicking the button, and that'll be set the temperature then.
Okay.
So to set your water, click on there. Again,
Similar
exactly
thing.
the same. You can either have your water off, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, or boost.
And what's
Okay.
the boost?
That's obviously to get the water up quicker,
Oh,
so
okay.
you get a
All right.
lot more concentration on the heat and the
Yes.
water. Okay, if you see the top line there, it's telling you what you've set it to. Obviously, it's gone back to 60
Yes.
because obviously I didn't click it. So if I change it to 40 now, click it, see it's there. That will also flash. So if the water's not up to that temperature,
Yes.
that will be flashing as well.
Got it.
Okay, next one. Click on it. It's on mix 1 at the moment, so that's the energy you're going to use. Mix 1 is mixture of obviously gas and electric.
Right.
One is, if you look at the electric on its own, one is around about 900 watts. Electric 2 is about 1800 watts. Okay, so if you go mix 1, mix 2, so it's gas and 800 or 900 watts or 1800 watts.
Okay. What's the
Okay.
most economical to do?
Economical. It obviously depends on how warm you want it. If it's in
Yeah.
the winter, obviously, but
Yeah.
I recommend. Obviously, you can run it on electric.
Yeah.
But obviously it might take a while to warm up because obviously it's heating the water at the same time.
Right.
So
right,
you might
right.
want to run it on a bit of a mixture
Got
of
it.
both,
Got it.
especially in the winter.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so we'll run on again. See gas in the bottle. Right, so next one is fan.
Yeah.
So you got options of eco, high. There is a boost there as well, but obviously because it's up to temperature now, it won't allow us to go
Yeah.
into boost.
Right.
Okay. If you look at the blades on the icon at the top, eco is one coloured in, high is 2. If
Yeah.
it was boost, it'd be all of them. Okay. You click it on high for. See that increase now. Okay. The fan won't come on automatically if it's cold.
Yes.
It won't automatically come on.
Okay.
Okay. What it do? It needs to obviously increase in heat before it starts pushing it out.
Got it.
Okay. I might just turn that back down to eco. It might just get a little bit warmer here in a minute. Okay. So that's your major ones for getting it
Okay.
all set up.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah. Super.
Okay, the next icon is timer. This icon is the clock. Okay,
Right.
so obviously to set the clock, it's fairly reasonably straightforward. Click on there, whatever time it is. 12, 12:25, was it?
Yeah. 12:25. Yeah.
And just click it. That's set the clock.
Right.
Timer. So you can do it at the day timer if you want.
Right.
Start time, whatever time you want to start it up. End time. Then you can set if you want the heating on to come on at that time, or what temperature you want to set it to come on. Also gives you an option of water, what energy you're going to use, and fan. So you got boost on that one, look.
Yeah.
Because obviously that's thinking it's going to be cold, but
Yes.
when it starts up, obviously it won't give you boost there. Obviously if it is, in
Yes.
summer or whatever, it's not going to be. Okay, so you can click on that, and then it gives you the option of switching it on. Okay, and you just click that, and the timer comes on there. Look. Okay. Obviously it's gone onto boost now. Because obviously the timer's running on that time now. To switch the timer off, just click back on it, and just obviously scroll it off, and it turns it off. And then it goes. Icon disappears there.
Okay.
Other options on the menu is your index. Blank to your screen.
Right.
Language, if you want to talk French or German to it. Reset, so if there's either a problem with it and you need to reset it,
Right. Just back to default.
yeah, back
Yeah,
to
like factory settings.
Yeah.
Offset, obviously it runs on a thermostat. Okay, so if obviously the thermostat thinks it's already up at 30 degrees, it's not going to allow the heating to come on, because because obviously it already thinks it's there, so you can actually calibrate it there